June 30th, card opening. Got a lot of mail day I've been stacking on the last week and a half. I thought I'd show you. I did buy into a couple breaks with Series 2. Tried the Tovar ones, but always get outvoted last second. But was able to get the Toglia. So that, of course, meant a lot of Toglia base. Not anything really fancy, though, which is kind of ironic. 2 silvers, a rainbow chrome. And let's see what else we have here. A gold. Another gold. Another gold. Not all these were in the break. Some of them were in the another rainbow foil. Toglia should be coming up here, I imagine, fairly soon. Yeah, nothing bigger than a gold, really. But tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of Toglias. Another gold. And another gold and another gold. So that's how the Toglia breaks went. Nothing better than gold, but got a good handful of gold. Continue to have my man. One more Toglia gold. I bought this outright. I have 3 of them right now. So getting Nolan Jones is having great. Gold foil, rainbow foil, silver foil board, black 88. This is out of 199. A blue silver at a 150. Retail blue, silver, retail blue, silver. And if you remember back in Christmas time, we were opening those Bowman drafts, and we got shafted some Ray Waves. I mentioned Rockies, and they sent me some Rocky Way Waves in return. So we got Yanker Fernandez, Gabriel Hughes first, and Ryan Ritter first. So that's what I got in compensation for my troubles. We'll see if anything else comes up in general. Anyway, I thought we'd open up something. I'm going to open up. I grabbed an Archives box from Walmart that was on clearance. I've never had much luck with Archives, but gotta give it a try. A lot of Allen and Ginter and a lot of Bowman Platinum. Some of my Bowman Platinum, I did get a good auto, Heston Kierstead, out of my Bowman Platinum retail. We'll see if we can pull anything good here. Andre Melendez being the best. I don't know how he's doing. I know the Royals in general stink. Chapman got traded, though. Oh, that was kind of interesting. Matt Olson's having a good year. Mookie Betts having a decent year. Jeremy Pena, Zach Sort, Diekman. I don't know how Jeremy Pena's doing. I haven't heard anything. Juan Soto's having a Gavin year. Got a lot of Otto Lopez's, Wade Boggs, Kilbadoo, Pete Alonso's having a good year, Randy Rosarina. Randy got voted All-Star starter. Ken Griffey, nice Shohei. I like that card. That'd be a good one to have Shohei signed. I got a Trey Mancini from here, auto. Most improved player, or comeback player, or something like that. C.J. Abrams foil at $1.99. I have no idea how C.J. Abrams is doing. Bryce Harper, 184, Nolan Arenado. With the C.J. Abrams foil, we've basically tapped out what we're going to get from this. We'll take a closer look at it in a minute. Tyler Gilbert, Shohei, Hunter Green, Mike Bone, Matt Chapman, Julio Urias, and one more. Man's having a good year. Sean Murphy, Vlad, Luis Roberts having a good year. T.A. Friedel, Joe Ryan. So nothing too exciting. We will look closer at our C.J. Abrams though. $1.99. Looks fairly clean. Again, I just don't know how he's doing right now. Anyway, that's our opening, mainly Maytel, but I thought I'd let you see what we're getting. You take care.